I'm on the Trans-Canada Trail. It's early morning, about 7:39, and I'm just outside of Carleton Place. So we're heading towards Chaffey's Lock. We'll take you into the latter part of the trail when we get past Smiths Falls. Anyway, I'm gonna punch you out, and the next time we see each other, it'll be just outside of Smiths Falls. All right, we're in Smiths Falls now, and I'm crossing the Rideau Canal on a footbridge. Oh, there's the river. See the boats over here. Really cool. And that's a swing bridge. Look at that. See how the good old bridge closes. There's a sign for it. There we go. Oh, nice. Really nice. Back over to my stats page. 3 hours, 26 minutes. 62.4 kilometers so far. So we're 7 kilometers out from Chaffey's Lock. There's a lake. Nice. I wanted to do a long extended ride, something around 200 kilometers, so the Cataraqui Trail fit the bill. It took me 12 hours to do the return trip, and I'm glad that I did. It is a beautiful trail in most cases, but Chaffey's Lock really blew me away. And the freedom of riding, it's something that I never thought years ago that I would fall in love with, but I have. I just love hopping on the bike and going. thought I was alone out here. This is a wonderful historic site, well worth coming to visit, either by bike, car, or boat. And I enjoyed my trip there immensely. My return trip to Canada took 12 hours and was a total of 207 kilometers. I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. It really helps.